On June 5, 1944, General Dwight Eisenhower gave the order to execute Operation Overlord, a massive invasion of the beaches in Normandy, France. In his final message to the troops, he said,
"You are about to embark upon the great crusade, toward which we have striven these many months. The eyes of the world are upon you. The hopes and prayers of liberty-loving people everywhere march with you."
By June 11th, all of the beaches of Normandy were fully secured, and we recognize this as a major turning point in World War II. Both a psychological and strategic military blow to the Nazi war machine, the invasion's landing day, June 6th, has become internationally recognized as D-Day. The Iowa State University Marching Band has been invited to perform for the official D-Day ceremonies in Normandy, France. The band will be in France for 7 days in early June, performing in a number of venues of great historical significance, where American soldiers fought and died in defense of our nation. The band will be involved with the official D-Day memorial ceremonies at Omaha Beach, a performance at St. Mary-Glise, landing site of the American paratroopers, on June 5th. And at cemeteries where more than 9,000 American servicemen are buried. The band is honored to have been chosen to represent not only Iowa State University, but the United States of America in these important events. Expenses will be incurred by each band member taking part in this trip. If you would like to make a donation in support of this wonderful opportunity, please visit the ISU Foundation's new crowdfunding website. We would like to thank you for your support over the years, and we are grateful to have been chosen to honor those that we lost in World War II. It is an honor to have been selected to represent our university and our nation.